Hey guys, we're back. And today we have an unexpected early unboxing of the AirPod Pro's second generation. It's Thursday, September 22nd at the time of this filming, and these aren't scheduled to come out until tomorrow. I was at my local AT&T store just returning different trade-ins, and they said that they got these in and that I could buy them. So I went for them. So let's check them out. First, you see you got a little box cutter action going right there on the top. $249 retail. AirPod Pro second generation. Kind of got these flaps a little torn up, but they are completely unopened. It just says the AirPods Pro second generation with MagSafe charging case. So let's open them up. Boom. That one's barely on anyways. Just a cover. That was not exciting. But boom. There they are. In this little wrapping paper, if you will. Let's tear that up. And here's the case itself. The new case does have speaker grill on the bottom so that sound can come out when they're lost. You can connect them to Find My and it'll give off a beeping sound. So what they say, there's a spot for a lanyard so you can hang them on stuff. But other than that, they look pretty much unchanged. So let's pair them up. Oh, got a little notification from those speakers connecting. Another little beep saying they're connected. Media control, let's skip this stuff. Do not want notifications announced. I hate that, but some people love it. Okay, so we have some charge on the case and the pods themselves. Click done. Those are good to go. And let's see what else we got in the box. Alright. So we got some tips. I heard that there's more sizes available. Yeah, so we have mediums attached already. Then we have large, small, and newly extra small. So that's pretty cool. If the last ones didn't fit you right, then hopefully these ones will. And we just have a lightning to USB-C. Still got lightning. That's unfortunate. I've heard they're probably just gonna re-release a new case next year with USB-C. We'll see if that's the case. Let's see what we got in here. AirPods Pro. Different ways to tell you how to use them if you don't know already. Shows you that it charges right there on the watch magnetic cable as well as MagSafe and your regular charging cable. So the fact that they don't have USB-C doesn't bother me all that much because there's so many other ways to charge them, and that's what I was more excited for. So let's check it out with a dirty old dusty watch charger. Boom. Makes a sound, let you know that they are charging. I think this is sick because there's so many times when I do charge them wirelessly on my nightstand and it's not MagSafe, or my old ones weren't MagSafe, so I'd wake up and they weren't on right. So boom. Two different ways to magnetically charge them. I think that's going to be awesome in the future, and I wasn't planning on getting these just because my old Pros are really just fine, but I did want that MagSafe. So I actually got a ESR case that does have MagSafe built in, which you see. So, you know, that was working out fine for me, but since I was able to get these early, I thought, hell, what not? Why not? I never get stuff early, so I went for it. So here's the original AirPod Pros. You can see the difference. The speaker grill is down at the bottom. the lanyard versus no lanyard spot. And other than that, that's about it. But let's pull them out so we can take a look at the pods themselves. So here's the second generation versus the first. So one thing that I noticed specifically is you have these vents down at the bottom. Here, they're not there. So they are a different design. The vents are up at the top. So they're a little bit smaller too. I feel like. Not by much, but they do seem a tad bit smaller. So I'm gonna rock these out for a while. See if they're any better than what they put out before. And you know, go from there. So if you like this unboxing, you know, click subscribe, hit like for me, come back with a bunch of extra content for the iPhone 14, for these Pros, getting a new watch in hopefully soon. So we'll have a lot more coming your way. But for right now, this is the end. It's Buck Life. Peace.